Do you think birds speak different languages?
What the fuck are you talking about?
Different birds speak different languages.
Well, I mean, you understand what language it is, right? Like,
Bird. They speak bird.
like not all of them speak like one universal bird language.
Like flamingos speak like Flamingese, and then hawks speak Hawkish. Can the flamingos learn Hawkish?
No. Oh my god, they're all on the staircase probably. Go. Go.
Oh my god. It's because I fucking mantled onto the railing. If I wouldn't have climbed up. Okay,
I'm
one
sure
sec.
there is,
One
but
sec.
the common. Listen, I'm having a plain argument with you right now, so I'm gonna need. Oh, white text. Ugh.
Fuck! Really?
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's a rarity.
I know.
Go.
Holy shit!
Don't go.
Oh my god, the fourth guy was just like in my mouth and he wouldn't get away from me.
Huh. Go. Go.
Oh my god, that was a beautiful spot. I whispered because I was so excited. Oh, that was like the ice caves. I felt like an ice princess.
Whisper worthy. Keep going. Chuck him into the windows. Oh.
Oh, I missed!
Oh man.
It's Pokemon, my bad.
Go.
Okay, that kind of looked gross, but I shot a bulldog bullet in between each throwing knife.
Why would you do that?
It kind of looked cool.
I doubt it.
I thought so. Because it was like... Pew! Pew!
Oh yeah.
Pew! Oh no.
I want to get a Roomba.
Are those the little vacuums or are those that dance game for the Wii?
That's Zumba.
Oh.
Oh, I almost nailed that kid. Keep going. Quad kill cam real quick. Go.
If that,
Oh, can you imagine?
if that would have connected. No! Are you kidding me?
I see 3, 2.
Oh god. You
What
see
happened?
See
nothing.
that?
You were just counting down till like your death and you didn't even notice. You got scurvy.
I mean, it's still completely possible.
I know, how horrible would that be?
Pretty horrible.
You can't really eat fruit anymore.
No, you can't. That's how you get rid of scurvy.
I thought that's what
Now
caused
you're
it.
not a fucking doctor.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not a pirate either.